What's up, guys? Going back to another video. And in this video, we're going to be playing some Roblox. I know, I haven't said Roblox. We didn't play Roblox yet, but now we're finally going to play it. Okay, let's play it. And real fast, I want to pause the video if I can get right into a game. We're going to play Jailbreak for a reminder. I know. We're going to play Redwood Prison. Actually, no. Let's do natural disaster. So I'm going to pause the video if I can get into it, okay? Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Alright, guys, we're back. And we're already in a game. So why was I gonna say that? Okay. This is really weird. Why can't I look down? Why can't I look down? Why is it not letting me look down? Okay. But guys, so let's try to survive. That's our main thing we have to do. Survive. That's what I want to do, survive. And I think if you guys have Roblox, you can just join this game right now. Don't worry. I like to add friends to everyone. I'm already full of friends. So if you subscribe to me, I'll maybe subscribe back. Maybe. I think you don't know. Oh no. Oh no. I know that sound. Go indoors. Go indoors. Go indoors. There we go. Much safer. Okay, so guys, wait 1 second. Okay, there we go. Yep. I know what it is. Oh no. It's a wave. Come on. Bring me up. We could be here in a second. Come on. Come on. I'm staying right here, guys. Okay? Nope, not. Just go up, just go up. Don't think of anything else. Oh, man. That was so close. Thank goodness we got up here in time. That guy's a gone for. It's a goner. Phew. Is it getting higher? Yeah, it's trying to. Yep, I'm out. I'm dead. Yes! We got it! Okay, guys, so that's us right here. That's us. We did it! Ooh. Yeah, that's how a pro does it. That's how a pro does it. Okay. One time, I won like every single time. Literally. Every single time. Just every single time. Really. Every single time. Okay. So guys, we're going to get right into a good place. And oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm going up here just in case. Okay. Tornado! No! Tornado! No! Let me up! I'm out! I'm dead. I'm so dead. Guys, come on. We have to be a pro. Natural disaster. No. Oh my gosh, that guy's a goner. That guy's still a goner. Oh my gosh, the building is just destroyed like a bam, 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 bam. I'm going up here. Nothing's stopping me. This is horrible. Just look at this flood. What a flood. What flood am I talking about? There's no flood. There's not even a flood. Guys, do you think it's a flood? Okay, look how huge I am right now. I'm big. I'm bigger than ever. Oops. I'll not look up. I want to look up. Okay, so let's go right up here. Up here. Just keep going. Come on, come on. Let's get this party started. Oh no, oh no, oh 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 oh. So let's go right. Yes, I'm a pro. Okay, I'm done. We did the pro. We did what pros do. That's how pros do it. Don't say that I'm not a pro. That tornado is still there. Oh my gosh, the island is clear of nothing. Sky Tower, I want to go at the top. Top, 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 here I come. On another top, 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 here I come. On another top, 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 here I come. Well, after this thing, I'm going to end the video. What is it? I've been waiting all day. Meteor shower. Watch the skies and find shelter. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm dead. I'm just dead. Help me. It's a meteor shower. Go all the way down. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Come on. Get faster, people. Come on. Come on. There, go, there. I'm going all the way down. Whew. No, no. Let me out of here, please. Well, these guys are not even doing anything. Oh, no. Oh, is that a bomb? No. That's all the way at the top. Oh, I can't even look up there. I don't even know how to look up there. Okay, guys. We're going to be safe. Even if you have no arm. Oh my gosh. What happened to your arm? The meteor just like, bam. Right in his arm. Like this, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, but maybe it just did this. Maybe it just jumped right here and went underground. That's really awesome. Yeah, we're gonna die. We're just gonna die in this. Yep. Guys, I think it's the end. It's the end of the green dragon getting me. Nope, definitely not the end. It's so not the end. Not even close. Not even close to be the end. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. See you guys. Dragon out. Hello guys, welcome back, and I just need to tell you this one thing. Just for a reminder, the random video, well, the last video was how to make your own intro, and please subscribe and like to my content. I just hope you enjoy it all, and have a very nice rest of the day. See ya!